I ate his little face, I ate his guts, and I ate the way he's always barking.
Britain's rail system has released this dramatic video in an effort to curb a growing problem. The video shows several near misses at railroad crossings, hoping to raise awareness about the danger. Check out this one. Network Rail. Good.
Oh.
In Britain says there were 30 near misses in 2008, and it wanted the law changed so tougher sentences could be handed out to offenders. 15 people died at rail crossings in Britain last year. How stupid do you have to be to run across the tracks? I mean, it was so close it took a shoe off. Wow. Well, that must be some sort of a game they play, must be. Or maybe zone something,
yeah.
or I don't know, but it happens here a lot too, actually.
Well, gosh, you just...
I know, it makes you speechless.
You don't want to go. You don't want to go down that road. I'm just not a thrill seeker, so I don't see that as fun at all.
No, neither do I.
I ate his little face, I ate his guts, and I ate the way he's always barking. So I gave him to the church.
Oh, I see. You hate him, so you gave him to the church.
Aye, I also ate the mess he left on me rug. You heard me?